My mama is going to be cleaning off Washboard. What's up, guys?
Welcome back to our channel. Today,
We're gonna be showing you how to clean
the grout in your tiles. So if you're having trouble with your tiles looking like this, we can get it to looking like this. Stay tuned.
Okay, so to begin, you are going to need baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, a mixing bowl, and of course a spoon to do your mixing. So you're going to spoon the baking soda into your mixing bowl, just like so. Exactly what Zone is doing here. Next, you are going to add the hydrogen peroxide, like so. And then you're going to mix. Basically, what you're trying to get is like a pasty consistency. This mixture is going to, or this paste is going to depend on the space that you have to clean. So as you can see there right now, that's too watery. So you want to make sure that if you have to add more baking soda, go ahead and add more baking soda until you have like a pasty consistency, just like so. Okay, so next you are going to place the paste in the grout of your tiles, and you're going to do this for the entire space. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like once you are done. You do not have to sit there and watch it. You can set a timer if you want to, 30 to 35 minutes, and you should be A-okay. Next, I would like to introduce to you Exhibit A, Good Wife Exhibit A. Every Jamaican woman is supposed to have a wash brush at their yard. You can even use a toothbrush, but I prefer to use a wash brush because it covers a lot quicker. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do, you are going to get your little pan and you're going to scrub away. It's been 30 minutes, so you're going to scrub away. Zone coming to make a mess. If you're lazy, honestly, this is not for you. Keep scrolling. It does take some muscle work. You have to kind of scrub, but like once you scrub the area, I promise you it's gonna be clean. It's gonna stay clean for a long time. This area that we're cleaning is actually like the front of the house, the entryway. Heavy traffic right here. This is also where I do packing for my smart ship business. If you want to know more about that, you can message me. But yeah, it's going to take a little muscle work. So if you're lazy, this is definitely not for you. It's not one of those jobs where you put the paste on and then you just wipe it off. No, that's not the case with this. So yeah, you just want to be cleaning until you clean all the space that you have with the paste. After that, you are going, look how dirty that is. You're going to get your Pine Sol or whatever cleaning agent you use, your bucket, and your MOP mop. you really don't need me to tell you how to mop, but basically you're going to mop away. It is a bit messy, so you will have to change that water about 2-3 more times. I think I did. Ooh, look at that. See, when I tell you it's not for lazy people, it's not for lazy people. So you'll have to change the water at least 3 times to get it nice and clean. Okay, so you're gonna be mopping. And then when you're done, it should look something like this. Okay, look at that. Yeah, you burn a few calories and the place is clean.
It's gonna be awesome for you guys. This is amazing. You guys have to try this.
Thank you for watching.